everybody. It is Saturday the 23rd of June and we are still down in London at the Holiday Inn Express. Just enjoying a little bit of breakfast. I've gone for Flamingo and so has Jason and some fresh orange to go with it. It's been really nice staying in this hotel. We both agreed that it's been a really nice day and we can't fault anything about the stay. So after we have breakfast we will be heading to the train station ready to make our journeys home. Well, Jason's going home, I'm not. I'm going on to Edinburgh, but I'll come back on and tell you all about that in a little while.
Good morning everybody. I have just got into my first costume as you saw on the weekend and I'm really excited for the show. My dance teacher's coming to pick me up in an hour, so I'm gonna go and get breakfast and I'll see you guys in a bit. Under forever!
And then never!
Hey guys, so we are just currently waiting to get the DLR, which does not stand for driverless rail, as I found out yesterday. Thank you. I am speaking to him. It's not that I'm turning my back on him for that. It's because the sun's behind us and obviously I don't want to just have a dark face. But we've had an absolutely amazing time down here. It's been a beautiful day. Oh, hang on. Plane going over there because we're right next to the city airport at the moment. That hotel was absolutely amazing. I would have to give that Flamingo family 5 stars out of 5. So yeah, we're on DLR, then we're going to change onto another train, and then we're going to make the King's Cross. Is it another train? Two DLRs. Is that right? Okay, cool. And then the Northern Line. Yeah. Oh, so we've got a tube as well. And then the train. Nice bit of travelling this morning. A bus. Oh no, not a bus. I'll check back in with you guys in a bit.
Hi guys, so I'm just here with Freddie, who wanted to be in all of, he wanted to have all the attention. Come on now, Freddie. And we're just gonna go through all the stuff that I've packed for my lunch. So if you're gonna go to the theatre, then you know what to bring, yeah? Oh, are we doing that? Yeah? Yeah? So first of all, I have 2 cheese sandwiches, some mini cheddars, some salt and vinegar crisps, some flapjack bars, some cookies, and some ice gems. I really like these. And for drinks, I just have 2 bottles of Lucasade, and I'm bringing a spare one just in case I finish the other 2. I don't think I am though. So that's all I'm taking to the theatre. I'll see you there.
So we are on the train back to Newcastle. Well, you are.
Yeah.
And I'm going to Edinburgh.
What are you doing in Edinburgh?
I'm going to my cousin Nora's hen do.
2 nights out in a row.
I know. I'm happy, but I'm sad at the same time because I don't leave you. Well, don't leave me. Don't leave me. So yeah, I have to say goodbye soon.
Next on. You don't enjoy it, man.
I know. We had fun weekend. Don't cry.
I won't. We run along the train after you.
Hi guys, so I've just finished doing both my dances and I've changed back into my Game of Thrones costume, just so between the 2 shows I don't have to change again. It was amazing. The lights for my dance I thought were really jazzy.
bye to Jason on the platform. It was kind of bittersweet really, because although I am excited to be going to Edinburgh to celebrate Laura's hair weekend, it's quite sad to leave Jason, bless him. So I'm not, I don't know, it's sort of like a mixed feeling at the minute. So, I don't know, I'm alright, I'm just sort of mixed feelings, isn't it? But I am excited to be going. It was just sad to say bye to him as well at the time, just to see him stand on the platform, bless him. So now I'm going to Edinburgh. Just getting to Edinburgh and we're going to make our way to the hotel and get freshened up, and I am meeting the girls a little bit later because they've arrived earlier than me, obviously, because I was down in London yesterday. So just got a couple of bits of editing to do, so I'm just going to get on with that and have a little bit of a relax. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so we are here, well I'm here in Edinburgh. I've just got off the train. It was quite windy there as I came out the station. It doesn't seem too bad now. I'm just heading along Princess Street now. There seems to be some sort of food festival going on, which looks pretty cool. So you never know, maybe I might get a chance to check out a little bit of that later with the girls. I'm not really sure what the plans are for drinks later. I have my foot run over. Right, squeezing through it. Is really, really, really busy here today. Like absolutely heaving. I'm quite excited to get to the hotel, second hotel in 2 days. That's better. Can't pass all of these people, but yeah, that looks quite good, that little food festival that's going on. Been to Edinburgh a few times now, really like it. So I'm going to go and find this hotel, and then we'll have a little room tour when I get there. So I have arrived at the Hub by Premier Inn. I've just checked in and straight up stairs to the room. Check-in took seconds. Got my room key. Yeah, so let's go in and see what it's like. Alright, let's go and have a look. Oh wow, these little rooms are so cute. Ah, I've never stayed in one of these hubs before, so they are very compact. Oh, look at the bathroom. Oh, the shower looks lovely. Lovely shower. Oh, everything's all just nice and compact, isn't it? Oh, excellent. Oh, what cute little room we've got. Oh, I must say as well, I'm sharing a room with my mum while we're here. There's quite a few up for the hen weekend. I think I need to go and get my hair sorted out because it's been quite windy out there as well. I was just looking as well. There's little complimentary bottles of water. Oh, it says, "Take me, I'm yours." Oh, and there's also free movies in the room as well. I don't know what movies we've got. Yeah, there's quite a few, look. Good little selection of movies there. I forgot. Phantom Thread, Danish Girl, Darkest Hour, Daddy's Home 2, Pitch Perfect 3, Sing, The Girl on the Train. It's actually 4 pages worth of films. That's really good. It's nice to have a selection of films when you're staying somewhere, you know, especially. Oh, they've got loads. That is a really good selection of films. I'm really impressed. It's like four screens worth like that. Oh, that's good. Excellent. But you know what? I'm really missing Jason. I know I shouldn't be because I have only just seen him. And I did just ring him while I was on the way here. But I just think, you know, when you've had such a good night with somebody and then, yeah, get somewhere else, you're like, oh, well, gone. But yeah, I'm going to get a shower, I'm going to get ready, and I think I might just head out and go and see if I can find somewhere to sit outside and do some people watching. Have a little drink, have a coffee, perk myself up. I just feel a little bit drained from travelling, to be honest. And then we're going out for a nice Italian meal later. And then a few drinks to celebrate Laura getting married. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right, so your hen party challenges so far, what have you done?
I've taken a selfie with the barmaid. Taken a photo with something borrowed.
Right.
Taken a picture with something blue. Taken a picture with a man in uniform, a kilt.
You've already done that one. Did you
yes.
find a kilt?
Oh,
Or a
plenty
policeman?
of
There's plenty of kilts around here.
Posed for a picture with someone wearing a white dress. Yes. Next one was get one of the girls to propose to a stranger. That was me. I've done that.
Excellent.
And
what's that last one there?
Take a selfie with an inflatable prop.
You're very good.
Done that.
So we've got to get the rest of them tonight.
Aye. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is me mum. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hey guys, so we are just on our way downstairs to meet all the rest of the girls. There's Mum and we're going, oh, I've got a perfume on again. I'm not bothered, it's fine. I'll live. I don't smell. I've already had it on day. We are going downstairs, we're going to meet the girls and we're going for some food. Where we're going? Bella Italia.
Bella Italia, yay!
So our food has just arrived and I've gone for the meat pizza, which looks really good. I think everybody's just dead hungry now, so we're just going to get stuck in and have some food. Got chips for the table. Some of this. I'll let you know how it is. Starting to eat the pizza now, and the pizza is good. It's lovely. This is the meat pizza. It's got salami, I don't know, pepperoni, a little bit of ham. Really good, guys. So I can recommend that from Bella Italia. It's really tasty. Really enjoyable. Guys, pudding has just arrived. Had to get a sweet. So this is it. Are you ready for this? It is cookie dough, fresh from the oven with ice cream and caramel. So it looks so good. I think I'm just going to have to dig right in and let you... Is everybody alright to go to Club Tropicana?
Yes!
Tropicana.
I don't want any on the actual 10 minutes.
So good. Laura's gone for the same thing as well. I think she'll agree that was very nice. Good evening everybody. So we've just got back to the hotel room and we've had a lovely meal and a few drinks, and I think it's safe to say that the hen has had an absolutely fantastic night. I think we've all had a fantastic night. Would you agree?
Yes.
Definitely. It's been a very busy 2 days and I am ready for my bed now. So good night, sweet dreams, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.